Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to install Elementor template kit in WordPress. I'm going to install this template kit. Let me show the demo. This is the Elementor template kit I will install. I collect this template from Envato element. You can see the Envato element link from this page here. If you have Elementor subscription, you can download this template from Envato element easily. I think this template also available in ThemeForest here. This template is also available in ThemeForest only for $24. Anyway, let's start installing the template. This is the WordPress website where I will install this template kit. First, I need to install Envato element plugin. From plugins, add new plugin. This one, Envato elements, photo and Elementor templates. Install now. Now activate. Okay, the plugin is ready. I just need to reload the page. It's here. Okay, I need to connect this plugin with my Envato element account. Let me do that. I need to do that, I need to click here, connect elements account. It's generated a token. Click here to copy this token and go back to the admin panel. Here I need to paste the token and verify token. Okay, you see account connected. Now I'm going to template kit from this sidebar. I will search here for the template kit. There is also lots of free template kit available. If you want, you can check the free template kit. The free template kit are also good, but it's depend on your need. Anyway, I'm going to copy this template kit name and paste here and search. No result found. Sorry, I'm still here in free kits. That's why no result found. Now going back to the template kit, search it again. Okay, now click on the install kit. We can also check the preview from Envato element page. But if you want to check the preview from here, you can check by clicking preview button, the same template kit. Okay. Okay, closing this tab also. Okay, now going to install kit. Install complete. Now we can view the kit. Here is the kit. Here is all the template available under this template kit. Okay. Before using this template, we need to do one more thing. You see there is a warning. We need to install some additional plugin. So click here, install requirement. I just need to click here. It's done. You see the warning gone. That means we are now ready to use the template kit. How we can use this template kit? First, we need to install global kit style. And then I'm going to install header, footer, and homepage. We will install all other templates as per our need. Now installing just only homepage and header footer. Homepage template kit installation complete. Now I am going to the page, all page. I need to create the page here. So click add new page. Write the page title as home page and click publish. Let's view the page. This is the page. Okay. Now go back to the home page. Click on edit with Elementor. Okay, we can ignore this one. Now click add template, my template. Nothing coming from here. You can reload this screen. You see there is the home page, header and footer. Okay, that is the template what we have installed so far. Now insert form, click apply. You see everything broken. Okay, we'll fix that. Click settings. It's loading. Let's see what's coming after load. Oh, by the way, it's okay without anything. Without doing anything, it's working good. Okay. So you see the homepage template is working here good, but the header and footer is not displaying here. So we just click update here, and we'll go back to the template section. Just delete this one, and this is the template, save template. You see currently one template showing under save template. Now click published. There are 5 templates available. After clicking publish, you see header and footer. I'll open this one, the header, in a new tab. Before doing that, we need to do one thing. I forget to do that. Let's see. Let me show you. We need to install a theme. That is currently there are Wordpress by default theme, and that's why the Elementor is not working here properly. So I need to install a theme that will support Elementor properly. Okay, here is, you see, hello Elementor template. Or if you don't see the template, then theme, then you can search from here ACLLO. Hello Elementor, and install the theme. Activate. Now go back to this page and reload the page. You see it's now working. Okay, this is the header. It's broken. I think it's due to the small screen. This is the header. We need to do one thing here. Very important work. Just you see there is a up arrow. Click here, and then click display conditions. This header will work for entire site. Now click save and close button. I hope it's done. Let's go back to the home page. This is home page. Edit with Elementor in a new. You see the header is now showing here properly. Let's see the footer area. Footer is also working. It's happened due to the theme. We had to install the Elementor supported theme. And after doing that, the header and footer working well. Okay, let's check the home page. To check the home page, click this 3 line. And here is the view page. Open in a tab. This is the home page. This is the home page template. Okay. As you see, it's showing domain/homepage. You know that we need to update this from here. Reading. Need to select homepage as a homepage. I also check here because this is a development site, and we do not want search engine indexing our site. Save changes. Let's check after removing the home. Now homepage is working. Okay. Now let's check the original template. There is a menu: home, about us, services, contact, pages. But our menu is not displaying here. So what we need to do? We need to create the menu from here. See how many menu is there. Currently, we can just create one menu. Main name, create, and view all. Just add the home page here for now. Sorry, close this page. And let's see. The menu is showing. We only have home page, only one page currently. So only home menu is showing here. We're going to create other pages one by one. So all pages will show. Now I will create about us page. About us, publish. Okay. Edit in Elementor. Do the same thing. Click here. My template. The about template is not here. So what we need to do, close this window and click here, the Envato element icon. You see our template is here. Click View Install Kit. Where is the About page? Our professional. Here is the About page. Insert template. This is the About page template. Click here, Update. And go back to the menu section to add the About page in menu. Reload this page. Okay. Here is the About. Add to menu. Save menu. Now go to the home page. Reload the page. You see, this is the About Us. This is About page. But there is a problem. You see, About Us title showing here. So we need to remove this title. Let's do that. Go back to the template. This is homepage template. Close it. This is About page. Okay. I click setting. Click hide title. You see title gone. Now we need to update the page again and reload the page. You see About Us title gone. About Us title gone, but the title from the template is showing here. This is the way how we need to create all other pages, and this way the template kit will work. If you have any question regarding installing the template kit or WordPress website or a small business website, you can post your comment under the video. And I always try to help a small business owner to grow their business online. So if you need any help, don't hesitate to contact me. You can get the contact information from my website, hasibdigital.com, and then click here, contact us. From here, you can contact with me. Let's subscribe my channel to get any digital marketing related video in future. Have a nice day.